Hello friends, welcome to edutech learn and grow. In this video we are going to see log formulas. So first one, if a power x equals to n, then log n to the base a will be equal to x. Second, log 1 equals to 0, log 0 equals to 1. It means value of log 1 is 0 and log 0 is 1. Log e value is 1, log 10 value is 1. Log a to the base a equals to 1, because it can be written as log a to the base a can be written as log a upon log a, which is cancelled out and will get 1. Seventh one, log a to the base b equals to log a upon log b. Eighth one, log a power n can be written as n log a, means its power will come this side. And ninth one, log a to the power 1 by n, then 1 by n equals to 1 by n log a. 10th one, log a b equals to log a plus b. When it is here multiplication, then it will become here plus sign. And 11th one, log a upon b will be equals to log a minus log b. 12th one, log ab is not equal to log a plus log b. It will not be equal to this. 13th one, log base to the a, log b to the base a equals to 1 upon log a to the base b. 14th one, log b to the base 1 upon a equals to minus log b upon minus log b to the base a. 15th one, log 1 by b to the base a can be written as minus log b to the base a. 16th one, log b to the base e can be written as log b, as log b to the base a is called natural logarithm. 17th one, log 1 upon b can be written as minus log b. Apply formula of 10, then apply formula of 1. 18th one, log 1 upon b to the base 1 upon a equals to log b to the base a. 19th one, log a power log of p to the base a equals to p, means this value will come here. And 20th last one, log b to the base 10 is called common algorithm because the base is 10. Thank you.